Let me see.
Oh, in it. It's called the Robin Hood bean.
Hold the whole thing up. The whole package.
Oh. They're all right here. Got a Robin Hood bean. You can see it right here. I've got a hunter bean. And a radio clown bean. Let's see what's in my next present. ESI. Yes!
Hold it up.
Yes! Yes!
Wait.
Yes! Yes!
I guess you like it.
It's an XL. Yes!
All right, give me a kiss.
Love you. Let's see what's in this big one. Spy toy. I think. No, it's a gun. Even better. Let's see what's in here.
What is it?
Creepy crawlies.
Hold it up so I can get a picture. Hold it up. Okay. Is that the right one?
Yeah. Let's see it.
All right, that's it.
Just to make sure. Okay. No, not my menu.
Grampy got him something.
Grampy got you something too. I have to go get.
No. This is my menu bean.
All right, you all set?